Guys, look. Entrance hole here. Exit one. And went in second one here. It seems here it stopped on second. Yeah, it stopped. We are losing power already. We shooted sometimes already with VCO2 cartridges, and so we are losing power. So now it stopped on second one. So these scans are tough, guys. Did you subscribe to my channel? Not yet? Do it now. It's free. Guys, I'll try to shoot one more time from closer distance, and let's see if then we will be able to penetrate more. Guys, look what huge hole it did. Of course we don't have gas inside already, foam is not there,